Now, I wanted to talk to you guys about the biggest news that has happened in immigration law recently is the Trump Gold Card. Okay, so the Trump Gold Card is basically Trump's claim to fame that he created on September 19th with a White House order that allows certain applicants to get a green card and qualify for citizenship if they give a significant financial gift to the United States. Now they're going to use the categories that are typically used for EB1, extraordinary ability, and EB2, exceptional ability NIW cases. So these are visa numbers that were already set aside by Congress, and he's going to allow people to apply, basically being in a process that's going to be overseen by Commerce and also coordinated with the State Department and DHS. Now, agencies have not come up with the application process yet, so you can't yet file for this, but I did see that on the government website, trumpcard.gov, they are taking your information. So if they have a reserve your spot for a Trump Platinum card, and then they also have an apply now for the Gold Card, but there's not actually a formal process in play yet. So what do you need to know? How do you apply? Basically, the program site says apply plus pay a non-refundable processing fee, and then there's going to be a DHS USCIS vetting process. And so once they do this vetting, they're going to have to take your fingerprints, and you're going to undergo a background check. After that, and you make the gift, right, of the amount needs to be $1 million for an individual or $2 million for a corporate gift on behalf of someone else. Okay, now if you do that and you qualify, then supposedly you are going to get special tax treatment. So Gold Card recipients would, this is tax treatment for the Gold Card is like any other lawful permanent resident. Okay, so no, there's no special treatment for the Gold Card. It's the Platinum Card. So I actually hadn't heard about the Platinum Card until I found that Trump's website. So it is, again, trumpcard.gov. But the Platinum Card is something that they have a wait list for right now. And what this is you can contribute $5 million, okay? And it's not a green card, but it promises you up to 270 days each year, no questions asked, inside the United States without U.S. tax or non-U.S. tax income. So basically you're going to get a tax benefit, right? So even though you're here over, I think it's 181 days, you can actually stay 270 days and not get taxed as a U.S. resident. Okay, and then the Gold basically is a way to get a green card via the EB1, EB2 track, but the Platinum allows you to stay here for a very long time, low tax access, and this is also a future rollout. Now, how are people going to apply for this? They're supposed to be, the agencies have 90 days, so it should be toward the end of the year before Christmas time that we have the process and the fees so that people can actually file for these applications, so the one for the Gold Card. Okay, this is very interesting. It's going to be subject only to those visas that are available. So you should keep in mind that this year they ran out of visas for the EB5s, and so they may run out of visas. We don't know how many people will be using this visa, but it's possible that they could run out of numbers also. So even though right now it's supposed to be a fast track, it should be decided fast according to the government, it's going to take some time, and it also depends on how many visas are available each year. Okay,